Hello, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be making one of my special clients a floor mirror. It's a full-size mirror. Actually it's a 3x6 mirror, and I'm just starting by cutting this piece of board which I'm going to be using to make this mirror. It's a 3x6 feet in length and width. So here you just seeing me measuring, then after that I'm going to be cutting. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. We really do appreciate that. And if you're new here, feel much welcome in our channel All Things With Us. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, feel free to like, commenting, sharing with your friends and family. So let's start the video. So guys, as I said earlier, I'm just making the frame, and for this specific mirror I'm going to be using mirror tiles, of which we are going to be showing you in the next clips. In this video you will see me using mirror tiles, and they have their own glue, but for me I did also use hot glue just to be sure of the glue, because I didn't want them to fall off when I carry them or after some time, because those glue at times wear off. So I did use a hot glue just to make it much stronger. And then the other thing I did was just measuring the part where the mirror tiles will fit, and then the part where the mirror will fit, and then after that I just attach these mirror tiles. And for these mirror tiles, the square one, as you can see in the video, we did make 3 pieces out of one mirror tile, and we did use about six pieces for this DIY today. So here I'm just aligning my items together, or materials, for this DIY today. Then after that I'm going to be attaching them. So guys, I hope you have subscribed to our channel, you have hit the notification bell, because a lot of videos are coming. The next videos that are coming are about our house transformation, because I already told you we are doing a whole house transformation. So more videos about our house transformation, I'm going to be uploading them. So make sure to stay tuned, because you are going to be learning one or two from us. Also, you are going to enjoy our videos. Thank you.